Hello students, and welcome to the Career in STEM Explorer. I'm Ashley, and I created this tool to help students just like you discover your future STEM career today. As you might have heard, the expression goes, there's no time like the present. So now is a perfect time to start exploring STEM careers to see what's out there. So this screen is showing the tool itself, and you have unlimited access, which means you can come here as much as you want. The best place to start would be the scavenger hunt activity. This is essentially a guided tour of all the resources that you have available to you here with the Explorer tool. So I strongly recommend that you start where it says start here. The Explorer tool has over 125 different STEM career profiles, and they're arranged in these 5 different buckets. So you can explore careers by your interests, by an alphabetical list, your personality, a gallery, and by salary and education levels. I wanted to do a quick example to give you a sense of how you can use this tool either at home, during distance learning, or even within the classroom. So I personally was always interested in animals. When I was your age, I wanted to be a vet because I really didn't know that there were other careers related to animals, which was my passion. So I could go to the interests page, which looks like this, and I could click on animals. And voila, there's a lot more to animals than just being a vet. So I could go through these resources whenever I want. You can use any type of computer or your cell phone. All of this is mobile friendly. And I can just click around. So maybe animal science sounds interesting. All 125 plus career pages look like this. So there's a picture of the person doing it. There's a teenager-friendly definition of the career. There's a virtual job shadow video to show you what that real person does. It gives you a sense of their day in the life. A downloadable information sheet in both English and Spanish. When you open the information sheet, there's lots more information. And something important to know is when you click on the salary, it'll take you to even more resources to keep exploring that career. Last, every career page ends with a try it. This is my favorite part because it's your chance to try it, your chance to test drive STEM careers that you may or may not have ever even heard about. So in this example, we're going to go take a look at a virtual field trip with Discovery Education. So pretty cool, something really fun to see and get a sense of what that real STEM professional does. Another expression you might have heard is seeing is believing. And if you've never seen it, how do you know that you want to be it? And that's why I created this resource, to help you know about different STEM careers that exist, but more importantly, to try it. So that was just one of the 5 pages that you now have access to. Last, I wanted to tell you to come back all the time. So I add new careers to this page every single month. You'll see at least 3 new careers pop up here in the new careers area. These are all really fun. So for example, this month there's recyclable specialist, interstellar city planner. Some of these careers you may never have even heard about. So come back often to keep exploring and see what's new. Your outreach program has provided some additional resources to keep exploring STEM careers, to stay connected with them, and to help you prepare for college and life beyond.